Hello and welcome to Dodo's podcast. In this podcast, I'm going to share with you the power of your assumptions and shifting to your desired reality. This podcast has been created by Monica Pavlichkova. Have you ever thought about how your thoughts can shape your world? It turns out that every assumption you make has a direct link to a world that matches it. This means that in the vast realm of parallel realities, your assumptions act as bridges that can take you to different worlds. Imagine this: if you pay close attention to your thoughts and assumptions, you'll notice something incredible. Your assumptions have the power to change things in your life that seem unchangeable. Even circumstances that appear fixed can transform when you change your assumptions. It's like watching your world change right before your eyes. Let's dive into the teachings of Neville Goddard, who understood this concept deeply. He found that by confidently assuming his desires were already fulfilled, he saw amazing results. The key was his unwavering belief in his assumptions. He knew that if he held onto his assumptions and paid attention to them, he could see his world change. Neville also discovered that assuming the feeling of his wish being fulfilled and holding onto it led to actual results. It's like creating a new version of yourself in your mind and then watching your world shift to match it. This process is about becoming aware of your assumptions, feelings, and thoughts. When you change your assumptions, you can witness your reality changing around you. Now, let's focus on a powerful idea: surrendering to your ideal. This means imagining and feeling as if your desired reality has already happened. By doing this, you step into the life you want and let go of your old self. It's like becoming a new you and disregarding the old limitations. Here's a tip from Neville: live your life with confidence and determination, ignoring any evidence that contradicts your desired reality. Hold on to your assumptions and let go of the doubts. By doing this, you align yourself with the infinite creative power within you, and amazing things become possible. Remember, you can't avoid assuming things. It's a natural part of how our minds work. But you can control the nature of your assumptions. By being aware of your assumptions, you take charge of your reality. You're like the director of a movie, shaping the plot as you go along. The most exciting part is that each assumption leads to a corresponding world. This means that you can shift to different realities by changing your assumptions. So, pay attention to your assumptions, feelings, and moods. Try an exercise. Assume that something you want has already happened, and watch how your world starts to change. In conclusion, your assumptions are like magic spells that can transform your reality. Neville Goddard's teachings remind us that with the right assumptions and awareness, we can create a life beyond our wildest dreams. So, take control of your assumptions, watch your world change, and step into the world of your desires. Each assumption shapes your world. Imagine your mind as a powerful tool that shapes the world around you. Every thought, assumption, and feeling you have is like a blueprint for your reality. It's as if there are infinite versions of the world, and your assumptions guide you to the one you experience. Think of it this way: when you make an assumption, you're activating a path to a specific world. In the vast web of parallel realities, each assumption leads to its own corresponding world. This means that by changing your assumptions, you can switch to a different reality. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Instead of focusing on your current circumstances, imagine what you desire is already achieved. This is like flipping a switch in your mind. You're no longer bound by what you see around you, you're creating a new reality by assuming the wish fulfilled. Think of it as a movie scene. You're the main character, and the script is in your hands. You can decide how the story unfolds by assuming the desired outcome. When you ignore the present state and immerse yourself in the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, you're rewriting the script of your life. Neville Goddard's wisdom encourages us to be bold in our assumptions. Confidence is key. When you assume that your wish has already come true, you're setting the stage for it to become a reality. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil and watching it grow. Remember, you can't avoid assuming things. Your mind is always at work, creating assumptions and beliefs. But you can take charge of this process. By consciously choosing your assumptions and directing your thoughts, you become the architect of your reality. So, let's put this into action. Choose something you want to manifest. Instead of dwelling on how it's not here yet, assume it's already yours. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the satisfaction of having it. This simple act of assumption sets a chain of events in motion that aligns your reality with your desires. In a way, you're hacking the universe's operating system. By assuming the wish fulfilled, you're sending a clear signal to the universe about what you want. And the universe responds to your assumptions, bringing them to life in ways you might not even anticipate. In conclusion, You hold the power to shape your reality through your assumptions. Each assumption you make sends you on a journey to a corresponding world. So, let go of the limitations of your present state and step into the world of your wishes fulfilled. It's a journey of conscious creation, where your assumptions become the brushes with which you paint the canvas of your life. Embracing your role as a reality creator. Now that you understand the profound impact of assumptions on your reality, it's time to fully embrace your role as a reality creator. This journey requires awareness, intention, and a willingness to let go of old patterns. As you continue on this path, keep the following principles in mind. 1. Choose your assumptions wisely. Your assumptions act as seeds that grow into your reality. Be mindful of the thoughts you entertain. When you catch yourself assuming negative outcomes or limitations, pause and redirect your focus toward positive, empowering assumptions. 2. Immerse yourself in the feeling. Assume your desired reality not just with thoughts, but with emotions. Feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment of your wish fulfilled. Your emotions amplify the creative power of your assumptions, drawing your desired reality closer. 3. Persist and observe. Like a gardener tending to a garden, continue to nurture your assumptions. Persist in your chosen assumptions even if external circumstances seem unchanged. Just as a seed takes time to sprout, your assumptions need time to manifest in your reality. 4. Release resistance. Resistance can hinder the manifestation of your desires. When you doubt or fear that your assumptions won't come true, you create resistance. Cultivate a sense of trust and belief that your assumptions are shaping your reality. 5. Act from your new reality. As you assume your desired reality, align your actions with that assumption. Make choices and decisions that are in harmony with the world you're creating. This reinforces your assumption and accelerates its manifestation. 6. Embrace flexibility. While you're shaping your reality through assumptions, be open to surprises. The universe might present opportunities that align with your assumptions but come in unexpected ways. Embrace these synchronicities and flow with them. 7. Cultivate present moment awareness. Like a detective of your own life, pay close attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Notice the shifts and changes that occur as a result of your assumptions. This awareness fuels your confidence and strengthens your creative abilities. 8. Celebrate every manifestation. When you see your assumptions materializing in your reality, celebrate each manifestation. This celebration generates positive energy and reinforces your belief in your creative power. As you embark on this journey of conscious reality creation, remember that you are not bound by your past or your current circumstances. You have the power to shift to parallel realities by changing your assumptions. With each assumption you make, you're painting a masterpiece of your life, one that reflects your desires, aspirations, and potential. So, take a deep breath and step into this new paradigm of creation. Embrace the truth that your assumptions are the brushstrokes of your reality. With every thought, every feeling, and every assumption, you're shaping the world around you. Welcome to the realm of boundless possibilities, where you are the author, the artist, and the architect of your own destiny. Remember, you have the power to make your life wonderful. It all starts with cleansing your space and allowing miracles to flow. If these insights resonated with you, don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to a transformed life begins now, and I invite you to join me by subscribing to keep learning and growing together.